Hello students, welcome to the Soda Search classes. Today we try another question of TIFR 2026. So this is a graphical question. So let's try how to deal with that. Here given that let this be the graph of y equals to sin x and let L be a line in R square such that the intersection of the line with this graph is natural number. Then which of the following is true? So we try to solve this with simply graphically. So here first curve is y equals to sin x. Okay. Okay. So first draw y equals to sin x. So this is the rough sketch of y equals to sin x. Okay. Sin x. Sorry. So this is the rough sketch of y equals to sin x. Okay. Now L be a line in R square such that the intersection of that line or the point of intersection of the line with this curve is natural number. Then is n even number or odd number or less than equals to 10. So we can take any line in this two-dimensional phase. Suppose if we take this line, okay, it's rough line. This is okay. Sorry. Okay. Suppose we take the line y equals to this. So this line is y equals to x. So here the point of intersection is only one point, which is 0. So the intersection point may be only one, which is 0. Okay, but this is not a natural number. So we cannot take this line. Okay. Suppose we have to take the line should be in the form y equals to mx plus of c. Okay. Okay. If we take a line parallel to the x-axis, okay, this is the vertical line. Then we see that the line cut the curve y equals to sin x at infinitely many points. These points, okay, these points, these points. So these points may be even number, maybe odd number, maybe rational number, maybe irrational number. So all possibilities can happen with this intersection point. And we know that this straight line intersect the curve at infinitely many points. So पहले तो ये ऑप्शन डिस्कार्ड होगा is n less than equals to 10. This is discard because it can cut the curve y equals to sin x at infinitely many points. So this is wrong. The number of intersection points cannot be even. Okay, cannot be odd because this is the infinite number of points. How can I say that there's a particular even number of points where they intersect, or the odd number of points they intersect? Though there is no particular way to say that the line cut the curve y equals to sin x at even number of points. Okay, so this is also wrong. This is also wrong. So actually, if we take the straight line y equals to c such that c belongs to -1 to 1 and the given curve y equals to sin x, then the problem will conclude. And the answer is none of the remaining three options is true. So this is the correct option. Thank you.